This sound tests the outer limits of your sanity. You are on a through route to the sound of the bizarre, to the strange, to the unexplainable. Well, perhaps not unexplainable. The limits are the aging hardware itself. You are entering the terrifying realm of plumbing. Next stop, the toilet zone.
So one of our toilets started leaking from where the fill valve attaches, and I realized the hardware in there is 10 years old and probably needed to be replaced. So went out and bought a Korky set that came with both the fill valve as well as the flush valve. Taking off the old flush valve was actually the hardest part. As you can see here, I was having trouble with it, trying to get a hold of it with a wrench. I tried breaking it with a screwdriver, and when that didn't work, I busted out my Kershaw knife, cut through it, and then broke it with the screwdriver once I had a deep enough divot that I could crack it. That was a pain in the butt, but it finally came off. I was then able to take the flush valve out and install the new flush valve that came in the kit. The kit is pretty comprehensive. It comes with the new flush valve, new fill valve, new flapper, all the new gaskets, all new bolts. It's a pretty sweet kit, and it's only $21, so not a bad thing. It's easy to set up and will help with a lot of the issues, like if you hear a noise coming from your toilet, which I hear that in all of mine, and can guarantee you I will be going through and redoing this with the other two toilets in our house. But once you get the flush valve in there, then you get the fill valve in. You can see there's a pretty long little hose there. That hose is designed to aim into the flush valve, and there's a little thing that comes in there, but you got to cut it to fit. So I did go ahead and cut that, put everything together, made sure everything was tightened down nice and tight, not too tight so you didn't crack the porcelain, reconnected the water supply on it, then turned the water supply back on, just so that we could get the water in there. Had to check it for leaks and all of that, and then of course got to check for flush. Hey, look, it flushes. That's always a good sign. Check for any leaks. I checked, I didn't have any leaks coming through. I snugged up one of the bolts a little bit more because I thought there might be a leak there, but it looked like it's fine after it was all said and done. And once that is all together, then I went ahead and just dropped the lid back on the tank, and it is good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you don't already subscribe, definitely hit the subscribe button. It will notify you anytime we've got anything new coming out. And yeah, hope you have a great day. Thanks so much, and take care.